With so much drama in the LBC, it's kinda hard being Snoop D-O-double-G. But I somehow, someway, keep coming up with funky ass shit like every single day. May I kick a little something for the G's and of the sea, back to the block, Snoop Doggy.
Alright, so introduce yourself.
My name's Danny, this is my 240.
Alright, what year is it?
It's a 90.
1990.
Yep.
And what have you done to the exterior? We'll start out there.
So far, the exterior, when I got it, was in pretty rough shape, so I had to replace the fenders. Got the pig nose front lip for it. I got dori side skirts and the Type X valences for a coupe. I got these Hot Boy Bomex Type 2 mirrors, got the Origin overs and the Origin roof wing, and then the Buddy Club P1s and 4x114.3.
Which is the ultimate flex there.
Ultimate flex.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
We'll come up here to the engine bay.
We got these nice little quick latches that are not the easiest to open. We got a destroyed front end because of the 240SX.
Perfect. So go ahead and tell us what you did under here.
We got the good old single slammer.
Okay.
It's got a T25 from Solar, Dishworks 550cc injectors, Z32 MAF, kind of a custom front mount intercooler setup.
Okay.
Good old coil rad because you can never go wrong with that. The Miata battery because I'm lazy, didn't want to relocate it.
Nice. So,
real simple.
How much boost are you pushing?
Should be 7, but right now it's 5 because I got an exhaust leak.
Okay. All right. And other than that, I mean, what kind of manifold is this? Is it custom?
It's actually a custom manifold made by Martin from OMD Spec.
Okay.
So I don't really know if there's any others out there like that. I think it's the only one.
And your fuel pressure regulator?
Yeah, well, Aeromotive. My buddy just gave that to me for free because we kind of needed it.
Okay.
Yeah.
And other than that, the internals of the engine all stock or?
All bone stock, head gasket. We'll see how long it lasts.
Yeah. Cool. And this valve cover?
Valve cover, I can't take credit for that because some guy I found on Instagram made it.
Okay.
But definitely changes the look of the single cam.
It's definitely something you don't see every day, that's for sure.
Not. I like it a lot.
Yeah. All right. And other than that, like drivetrain wise, what you got going on?
Solid engine mounts, poly trans mount, solid subframe, one-piece aluminum drive shaft, and then we got the Tomei two-way with a 4.6 ring and pinion, and that brings the car to life.
All right.
It's the best setup there is, boys.
So what would you say as like a KA setup? Is this good KA setup? Is it things you want to improve on? Or
definitely always something to improve on. This is definitely a budget build. I would have loved to fully rebuild the engine and stuff for, you know, reliability stuff, but I was kind of in a rush. So I'm gonna have to rebuild my spare engine.
Okay.
I still got a lot of stuff to tie up. I need to do a catch can setup, coolant temp sensor gauge, just a bunch of little things tidying it up. You know how it is, it never ends.
Yeah, well, it sure does look cool, that's for sure.
Yeah, I'm happy with it.
Yeah. So let's go ahead and step into the interior here and see how that looks.
If you own a 240SX and you gut it, I hate you.
Yeah.
Just keep that in mind. Gutted because of my old owner.
Okay.
We got the good old Zeta
So
2.
previous owner gutted it, not
Yes, I didn't do that, okay?
Okay.
I'm not that kind of guy. Zeta 2, Nardi Classic, because come on, it's just a classic. We got the OG truss knob. Shirts tucked in, gloves stay on the dash at all times.
you. Yep.
And then I need to make some gauge pods because they're just kind of hanging there, hanging out, you know?
All right.
We got
Overall-
the dash mat because 240SX as well. You know
So the
how
dash
that
is
is.
cracked under there then?
Very.
What about the harness bar in there?
Dude, I don't know. It came in the car. We got these ghetto harnesses, but you know.
As long as it works, right?
I mean, technically it doesn't work. It's a death machine.
Oh,
Yeah.
well that's always good.
But hey, if I die, I'm gonna die like a man.
Exactly. So any future plans for your interior or?
Plenty. I gotta dynamat the whole interior because it gets really hot in here.
Yep.
I'm gonna put carpet back in it.
Okay.
Ride, bricks, passenger seat. I want to get a Cusco bolt-in cage.
Okay.
Just keep it simple, streetcar clean, nothing crazy.
As for your over fenders, what kind of over fenders are these?
These are Origin Type 1 30 mils.
Okay.
My fenders were really clapped when I got the car, so it's just kind of just the easiest way to make it look okay.
Looks good. Arrow, I mean,
Yeah, like I said, dorky dory, skirts and valances. That's the homie Max, that's the homie Ethan, that's the homie Eric. Bad Luck Club because, you know, 240.
Austin's sick.